In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table to Microsoft Forms. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You will see a list of search results related to Microsoft Forms. Look for the official Microsoft link. It typically appears at the top of the page. This step is essential because it ensures you are accessing the correct and secure platform. Once you find the right link, click on it to proceed. You will notice the familiar Microsoft Forms interface, which is designed to help you create forms easily. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. If you are not already signed in, a login page will appear. Here, you'll need to enter your Microsoft account credentials. This could be your email and password associated with your account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one. Logging in is crucial as it allows you to access and manage your forms effectively. After entering your details, click the Login button and you will be directed to your Forms dashboard. Now open your form in Microsoft Forms. On your dashboard, you will see a list of forms you have created or have access to. Click on the title of the form you wish to edit. This brings up the editing interface for that specific form. You will see various tools and options that allow you to customize your form to meet your needs. It's important to open the correct form as this is where you will add your table. After that, click Add New at the bottom of your form, or between existing questions. A button labeled Add New will be present. Once you click it, a menu will appear showing various question types you can add. This step is vital because it opens up options for expanding your form. By adding new elements, you enhance the way users interact with your form. Next up, select Likert from the available options. The Likert question type allows you to create a table where respondents can rate statements along a scale. This option is particularly useful for gathering feedback or opinions. Once you select Likert, the form will update to display this question type. This choice makes it easier for your respondents to provide structured feedback. At this point, input your main instruction in the question box. This is where you will write a clear and concise question or statement that guides your respondents. For example, you might ask them to rate their satisfaction with a service. A well-crafted instruction sets the tone for your question and helps respondents understand what is required of them. This clarity is important for collecting accurate data. Now fill out your row variables under Statements and your column options under Options. The row variables could represent different aspects you want feedback on, while the column options might be the rating scale such as strongly disagree to strongly agree. Don't forget, you can click the plus icons to add more rows or columns if needed. This flexibility allows you to customize the table to suit your specific needs and ensures that you gather comprehensive data from your respondents. With all these steps completed, you are well on your way to creating a functional and effective table in Microsoft Forms. Each action you have taken contributes to building a robust form that will engage your respondents and yield valuable insights. Thank you for following along, and happy form building!